JCDrawing part query operation demonstration. Open JCDrawing. Find the chip you want to query. Click Real. The chip's model number is PM-50. Click Part Query. Input model. You can choose to find brands or you cannot limit brands. Click Query. Below are the search results for the same type of chip. Double-click can jump to the corresponding model and jump to the location of this chip. Click Real. Check the chip model with Real. Now let's see how do we find the same resistance. For example, this resistance. Look at its resistance on the schematic. Click Part Query. The resistance value of the input resistor. You can select the search area here. Click Query. Many resistors with the same resistance value are found. You can also find resistors of the same size. No more schematics to look for. Now, how do I find a connect with the same number of pins? Take this connect for example. Click Part Query. Check Connect. The number of pins is entered automatically. Click Query. Here are the results of the query. The part query function can also find electric capacity, inductance, diode, and crystal oscilloscope. Go ahead and try part query. JCDrawing makes maintenance easier and smarter.